Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Barclays Contactless Mobile to make a quick and secure payments with your smartphone. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so you have two ways to do that. Either you go here at barclays.com website, right? Download the apps here, right here. It's either go to App Store or you can get it on Google Play. Both are acceptable, depends on the user, all right? And once the app is downloaded, you log in with your Barclays online banking credentials, right? And that would be the username and the password that you use for online banking, right? Okay, so if you ask what is a contactless mobile payments, all right? So here you can link your Barclays debit card or Barclays card to your phone, then use it to pay whenever you use the contactless symbol, right? Okay, you can get the app here also. So there's a lot of usage for Barclays app contactless mobile, right? You can pay people and check your balance, change your cash machine limit, view your PIN, and see and manage your mortgage, all right? So to make a payment at contactless mobile enabled store, unlock your smartphone, open the Barclays app, and select the card you want to use. And then hold your device near the contactless payment terminal. But in most cases, for a small transaction, you won't need to enter a PIN or use your fingerprint. However, for added security or larger transactions, you may be prompted to authenticate with your device's PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID, right? And once the payment is successful, you will receive a notification on your smartphone and the transaction will appear on your app's transaction history, right? It's that simple, guys. That's it. If you are now ready to enjoy the convenience of Barclays Contactless Mobile, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.